This video demonstrates how to run the ICE validation of the MSI package. For this, I will use PaySuite application packaging solution. You can get a free trial at paysuite.com. Run PaySuite Launcher. Click on the Package Virtualized Lifecycle stage and select Edit MSI. Now choose MSI package. Select Menu, Validation, Full MSI Validation Suite. Find the validation results on the ICE Validation tab of the automatically open tables editor view. To jump to the cell of the table that has this error or warning, just double-click on it. All errors and warnings are highlighted in red. Also, you can save the validation results to the file. For this, select Export all results to CVS file from the context menu of validation results. Choose a file name and destination location and click Save. That is how ICE validation of the MSI package can be run with help of PaySuite. Thanks for watching.